Congratulations! Ano na nararamdaman nyo na mapapanood na for the first time ang A Werewolf Boy?
Careful and be safe, everybody.
I'm so happy and I'm so grateful for the opportunity and I'm just so excited for tonight. Ito po yung first time na napapanood namin yung movie. We're just so grateful.
Alright. Again,
Yung
congratulations to
critics
Rabbit
kahit ang daming pumuri sa performance daw nyo, sobrang galing nyo raw. Anong masasabi nyo?
Alam niyo po, meron po, pag-isip ko ng umaga, nabasa ko yung mga reviews.
Alright, everybody, everyone, you guys can spread the word on your socials about init ng pagtanda sa ating
Angela.
actors. Let's see Rabbit, Agnes, and Angela Muji. Kaya sana mag-translate ito sa pelikulang ito. Simula January 14, 2 nights, siguro 2 tulog na lang po. Mapapanood natin ang
Ang maganda rito, Robin, Angela, binababa yung ticket price para mas marami makanood. Ano masasabi nyo?
Yes, again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2.
Sa January 14.
Po, January 14 na po.
Okay, once again, thank you everybody who came here tonight despite the traffic that's always been there sa EDSA. And congrats at nakarating tayong lahat ngayong gabi na safe and sound. And we hope that you guys are very happy meeting them in person. And let's show support sa ating Radyo talent on social media. Ipakalat ang magandang balita. And let's make it trend. Again, we've got our 2 official hashtags for tonight. A hashtag, A Werewolf Boy PH, and hashtag, A Werewolf Boy Premiere Night. Excited na ang last tonight. Rangel! Hello, Robin! Hello, Angela! Careful going up. Okay, here's the microphone. Patingin na lahat ng fans ninyo ngayong gabi.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you po for coming here. We're just as excited as you are.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito.
Angela!
Ay, ito na po. May pelikula na po tayo. Sobrang iba po yung kaba namin ni Angela ngayon. Wala po kami masabi sa inyo. Pero maraming salamat po.
Mukhang naiiyak na sila sa support ang ipinapakita ninyong lahat. Kaya naman ngayon, i-congratulate natin sila by shouting, clapping. Everybody, let's go! Let's give it up for Rangel! Thank you, everybody. And would you like to invite them?
Rangel here!
Would you like to invite them January 14th?
Ngayon po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood ng Werewolf Boy sa
January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Buy your tickets na po.
There you have it, Derek. Please stay here with them. Let's have your photos taken.
Here po!
And the rest of you, A Werewolf Boy. We've got here Robin, Agnes, and Angela Muji. Together with Derek, Chris Santo, Aquino. Everybody, let's give it up. How about our hands, everyone? And fans who came to support you guys.
Okay. You can go first kasi masyado mahaba yung sabihin ko.
Ayun po, una-una po sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat po sa lahat ng tao dito. Gusto ko po magpasalamat na pumunta kayo dito para supportahan po yung pelikula natin. And sana po ma-enjoy po natin yung movie. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi. After the film, I'm very sure na maiiba ang tingin nyo kay Robin at Angela. Mahuhusay na artista, wala akong masabi, lahat ng review ay positive. Kaya salamat sa pagpunta.
Should I say the long message now or save it for later?
It's now.
It's now. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here. Tonight, my heart is so full and I just have a lot to thank for. First and foremost, kay God. Thank you kay God dahil endless yung blessings na binibigay niya po sa akin, yung guidance niya. And I'm just so grateful to Him for bringing these beautiful and amazing people into my life. To Viva, to Boss Vic, for seeing the potential in me and believing me, for changing the trajectory of my life. I'm eternally grateful to you, Boss Vic. Maraming salamat po. To Boss Veronique, who is like our mother, who never fails to guide us in everything that we do. To Boss Vincent, to Boss Val, to all the Viva bosses. We wouldn't be standing here without your trust. So thank you so much. To my family, my papa, my mom in heaven, my lolo in heaven, my egg, and to everyone else who I love, my kuya CJ. Thank you for being my home. To my friends who have never left me since day one, I love you. Thank you so much. And there's just a lot in my head. Thank you to my Viva mommies, my Mama Barbs, my Mama Pao, Miss Neen, Sir Jean, I don't know if I forgot someone. Miss Sydney, my Viva Beauty family, thank you so much po. And to Direct Chris, thank you for believing in me when I couldn't believe in myself, for bringing out the best in us on set. Thank you so much po to Direct Jack, Direct MJ, Miss Chrisma, to my co-actors, Miss Candy Pangilinan, Miss Lorna Tolentino, Albi Casino, and the rest of our co-actors. And Viva Films, thank you so much. To the team behind A Werewolf Boy, this wouldn't be special without you and your hard work. Thank you so much po. And of course, to my leading man, Robin, thank you for being my strength and for walking this journey with me. And of course, the fans po namin, Gel Loves, Tabins, and Rab Gels. Thank you so much po. To everyone here tonight who made an effort to come here and support us, we are so grateful to you. Thank you so much po from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you again and enjoy the show.
And Direct Chris, I think you want to
Gusto ko lang
invite?
tawagin yung lahat ng production staff ko, sila Chrisma, sila MJ, sila Jack, lahat po ng part ng Werewolf Boy production staff and post-production. Punta po kayo dito. I want to see all of you.
Yes, and of course,